Hello again, my friends. So, sometimes we understand that the world is full of lies, okay? So, here, Revelation 11:19. Then the God's temple in heaven was opened, and within his temple was seen the ark of his covenant. And there came flashes of lightnings, rumblings, peals of thunder, an earthquake, and severe hailstorm. This video, somebody just filmed the sun flickering. We will watch a bit how the sun is flickering, and meanwhile we will talk about the idea of the fake sun or artificial sun that somebody had the power to put it in the sky. And we must believe it, because they are patent for that, right? Okay. You can anyway search for sun blinking and or a dark hovering spot in the middle of the sun. Search. I encourage you to search that. Then I find the video of this person, is in Spanish, I believe, and he's starting with this prayer, and said, "Indeed, we shall requite those who transgressed. We gave the book to Moses before this, so be not in doubt of meeting him, and we made it a guide to the children of Israel. We appointed from among them leaders, giving guidance by our command. When they were patient and firmly believed in our signs." Okay? So at the minute 3:10, like this, he will start to say a story happened in September 2015, and he said that there was an incident with a strike of plasma that struck down at Kaaba 4,000 people, and other 4,000 were injured. Okay? Here is written, "Aftermath of 24th September plasma emission over Grand Mosque." Okay? So, again, and the sun flickering. Remember, there will be thunders and rumblings. Want to read again? So do you think that it is an artificial sun there? You still believe that? Flashes of lightning, rumblings, peals of thunder, earthquake, and severe hailstorm. Do you still believe that they have a fake sun, artificial sun? The Ark of the Covenant.